How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a hand grip workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the exercise that we're going to be doing today is, we're going to be using 200 pounds worth of resistance. We'll do 7 reps, 5 sets, 35 total repetitions. So let's get started. 7 reps. So 1, 2, just like that. Again, I always do this, but right before my hand grip workouts, I'll gel my hair, and then it makes my hands super duper slippery even after washing them with soap. So not the smartest thing to do, but my stomach has been killing me. I had some protein cereal. I had to take some Pepto-Bismol right away. I'm about 35 minutes into making videos. 3rd video already, so I'm cruising, just flying along. Goal today, let's say 32 videos. It's gonna be crazy. Probably have to do about 9 hours worth. I think I'm going from 7:45 to about 12:15, and then going from about 2:30 to about 7. So it'll give me 9 hours, 3 videos an hour roughly. Sometimes I can get 4 in. So might be able to get 32. That's assuming I can go for 9 hours straight. That's a tall order to ask. The most I've done on these days have been 27. So last 2 weeks I've been, on this day I've been doing 27. So we will soon find out. Let's do another set. 1, 2. I am dropping weight too. I started at 206 pounds. Today, all new low weigh-in by a pound. Yesterday, day before, I weighed in 183.6. Today, I weighed in at 182.6. So that's amazing. I couldn't have asked for a better weigh-in. Tomorrow, if I can keep this up, let's go another pound. If I can get below 182, maybe 181.8, 181.6. That would be cool. It is possible because today I am going to swap out my diet just a little bit. And by lowering the amount of sodium I will be intaking today, I might be able to come in a pound or 2 lower tomorrow. It's going to be really close. But instead of eating 4,000 milligrams of sodium today, roughly, I'll be eating about 2,000. So it's going to be close. So the meals I will be having instead, so I had the protein cereal in the morning, which is not too bad and not really that much sodium. For lunch, instead of having a bologna sandwich and cheese, I'm gonna have a peanut butter and jam sandwich. That way, with the bologna is super high in sodium, same with the cheese, pretty high in sodium. Bologna has 500 milligrams of sodium for 1 slice. I use 2 slices, that's 1,000 milligrams. The cheese roughly 250, so that's 1,500 milligrams. Then the bread has 400, so bread has 200, I think. So that's about 2,200, 2,300 milligrams of sodium. That's like what you need for your whole day. But by swapping in the peanut butter and the jam, peanut butter and jam really doesn't have sodium. Jam doesn't have any sodium, and the peanut butter has very limited amount of sodium. So that'll drop my sodium by at least 1,000. So instead of having like 2,000, I'd probably only have 1,500. I'll probably have 500 or 600 milligrams of sodium. For supper, I will have chickpeas. Chickpeas have no sodium. The ones that I get, no sodium added. And then 2 big cups of milk. Then for a snack, instead of chips have 1,000 milligrams for 2 servings. I'm going to have some peanuts, which have about 100 milligrams of sodium. So that'll cut down about 800 milligrams. So by the time it's all done, I should drop probably 2,000 milligrams of sodium. So instead of 4,000, be at about 2,000. By cutting my sodium in half, I should be able to drop another pound or 2. Might take a couple of days for that to happen, but it's definitely a possibility. We will do another 7. that's the end of the video. Pretty easy, pretty fun, pretty chill. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.